In this video we will learn how to add training request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the training module on top navigation bar. So here you can see training request form. Click on the Add Training Request button to raise a new request. Select Employee from drop-down. Select Category and Template for training. Enter preferred date and time for training. Enter reason for request. Next, click on a Submit button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.